Alright guys, we're on a renegade mission here. I got the phone call from the fellas that there's a cool little spot about 30 minutes away. We're like 26 minutes away, so we're gonna see what it's about. I was trying to fly something different today. Let me roll this window. I was trying to fly something different today, so let's see if this works out. You know, a lot of spots, you know, your buddies are like, oh, it's the most epic spot ever, and then you get there and you're like, what the hell is this? So hopefully we don't have that today. So we're gonna drive there, and hopefully it's cool. Let's do it. This little place, we didn't probably broke all kind of rules and shit trying to get back here, but they're looking at like the water spots. I never like to walk spots. I like to just go fly them. That's why I'm getting fat, lazy, flying my quad around. So it looks like it's getting ready to rain now. So we're gonna rip this little thing. It doesn't seem like anything crazy, but we're gonna see if we can turn it into something.
My trouble done. Have it all. My trouble done. It's not lost on me. It's not lost on you. Burning embers in the night. What do they find? Oh, let's come out again. Oh, let's come out again. Oh, let's come out again. Oh, let's come out again.
Missed it again.
Did you dive the ladder yet?
Sometimes a little quick rip is all you need to end off your weekend, your nice Sunday evening, raining. It could be worse. Thank you, these gentlemen, for finding a location.
What's up?
Who are you?
I'm Diamond Hands FPV.
Diamond
known
Hands.
as Boost.
Boost, Diamond Hands. My man's got all the names.
All the names.
All of them. You guys know this guy, Bradley Extraordinaire, Bradley Bomb Squad. This man.
What's up?
That man looks good on camera, don't he, guys?
Oh, too good. Too good on camera.
He's the one that's got us trespassing out here. So hopefully you guys like the little clip. Just a little something for a Sunday. Just a, little rip with the fellas. Will's over there. climbing. You guys probably can't see him, but he's like right there, climbing over there. But until next time, guys, thank you for hanging out, and we are out of here.